Welcome to X Softwares. In this video, I will show you how to download the latest version of Windows 11 for free by following a few simple steps. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to Microsoft's official website. I will share the link in the chat. Scroll down and find the Download Windows 11 Disk Image (ISO) for x64 devices section. Click on the drop-down menu, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices, and then click the Download button. Wait a moment. Select the language in which you want to install Windows. I need the English version. And press Confirm button. Wait few seconds. Your download link has been created. This link is valid for 24 hours from the time of creation. Now click on the 64-bit download button to start downloading Windows. Now the latest version of Windows 11 has started downloading for free. In the next video, I will show you how to create a bootable USB, CD, or DVD in a very simple way. If you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to leave a comment.